Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a simple listing combining Meta Box and Breakdance. At the end, we will have an archive page that shows a list of products like this. In this case, products is restaurants. I will divide the page into two sections, one to display the restaurants and one for filters. For the restaurants, we will need a custom post type, and each one of them will be saved in a post. The restaurant's name and image are the title and feature images of the post. Other information such as status, address, and logo will be saved in different custom fields. Each box like this is for each restaurant, and will be created as a global block in Breakdance. This section is the mentioned filter. It's based on the voucher information that is created in the form of a taxonomy. Each one here is a term of that taxonomy. Before going ahead, let's check which tools are needed for this practice. In this practice, I use Breakdance to build the page. To create custom post types and custom fields for restaurants, we need the MetaBox core plugin. You can install it directly from wordpress.org. Besides, we need some MetaBox extensions for the advanced features. You can install them individually or use MetaBox all-in-one. Here are the extensions we need. MB custom post types and custom taxonomies to create a custom post type and custom taxonomies for restaurants. Meta Box Builder to have a UI on the backend to create the custom field efficiently. Make sure you've enabled them already. Now let's start. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for your products. After publishing, there will be a new menu here. It's your post type. As mentioned, we'll have a filter on the page based on a taxonomy. So let's move to create it. Go to MetaBox and create a new taxonomy. In the advanced section, check this box if you want to show the taxonomy in a hierarchy. And check this box to show it as an admin column. This setting is available when you have the MB admin columns extension. I did not mention this at the beginning because it's optional. In the Post Types tab, choose the restaurant post type that you've just created. Then, go to Voucher in your restaurant. Now you can add some terms for the taxonomy. I will divide the vouchers into some discount levels, and one of them will be a term of this taxonomy. Just go to MetaBox and create some custom fields for your products. I'm creating some typical ones. Choose the text field for the address. Next, choose single image for the logo. And lastly, choose the select field for the status. That's all the custom fields I need. Go to the Setting tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Restaurant to apply these fields to this post type. Go to a post editor. You will see the custom fields and the terms of the created taxonomy display. Just add some information for your products. Here are some posts that I created for example. Go to Breakdance to create a new global block. It'll be used to display information about each product. Set a post for preview. First, add an image element to display the restaurant's image. Click on the Dynamic Data button here. Choose Feature Image in the Post section. Next, add a text link element for the restaurant name. Click on the Dynamic Data button. Choose Post Title. This text link element has a setting that allows you to embed a link into this title. There's also a dynamic data button here. Choose Post Permalink. Go ahead. Add a text element to show the address. This information is saved in a custom field created with Meta Box, so use the dynamic data button. Look for the Meta Box section. You will see the name of the custom field. Choose it. In the same way, add an image element to show the logo. Also use dynamic data. The logo is in the custom field, so you will see it here. Do likewise for the status information. Add a text element. Choose dynamic data and look for the status field in the Meta Box section. I'm styling this block a little bit. I will display the status as a dot will color, so add some CSS for it. And turn it to color like this. Create a new page as usual. Then edit it in Breakdance. First, add a section element to cover all the content of the page. Inside the section, add the heading element to the page title. To display the list of posts, add the post loop builder element. In the global block box, choose the restaurant block that we've made in the previous step. Then go to the query section to set a custom query to get posts. Select the name of the post type you use for your products here. There are also some other settings for the query in this pop-up. You can customize the query as you want. In this case, I left them all as default. Immediately, you will see the products displayed. Now, let's add a filter bar to this place. In the settings of the post loop builder element, there is a section named filter bar. Click this button to enable a filter bar for this element. Do you remember the taxonomy that we created? Choose it in this section. A list of the discount levels that we set as the terms of the taxonomy will be displayed. Moreover, they are in a beautiful format, so I will not style it anymore. Just enable the all filter. And done. But for the page title and restaurant's information, we should style them a little bit. Now the whole page is in the right form and has a better look. But all the status dots are green. We should use some JavaScript code to automatically change the color of the dot following the value saved in the status custom field. Add a code block. Add this code. Now go to the front end to see the page. Here is the final look of the simple listing page that I want. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try other methods, please watch our other tutorials on our channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.